morning from Nordstemmen, Germany. I just woke up. I have to return the terrible rental car finally. I was going to yesterday, but the rental car place was closed. But I had to come out and make sure I had enough charge to get there. It's the story of my life with this car. Always have to make sure there's enough charge. There never seems to be. But luckily, there's enough to get me to the station. And I don't have to return it with a full charge, so that's good at least. But look at this. Beautiful, right? And behind me, it's got two cars there.
That's one of the best things what comes from America. Oh. So now we...
They don't sell those here?
Yeah, they do. They're pretty popular.
Looks good.
That's very important to always use your hands so you know.
Use it for everything.
Actually, we call it kitchen but the push in a really nasty name.
The kitchen.
That's true. Everyone needs a kitchen. So now we have two.
That's so funny.
So we're kind of in a rush, but it needs to be cold for a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So here's the freezer.
I got the wrong Zana. Sauer Zana. What's the one I needed?
Schlagsahne, like hitting cream. Schlag means hit, to hit. The hit.
Hitting cream.
When you hit someone.
Oh. Well, yeah, we call it whipping cream.
Oh, whipping.
Oh, whipping means...
And whipping is like...
Oh.
Right?
Yeah. No, whipping.
Yeah. Whip my kitchen puss. I'm gonna whip you with my kitchen puss. Oh. I would eat it just like that.
Oh, it's so good.
Right?
Like here, you can... So, Frida's not here, so you can try it.
Oh, poor Frida.
Yeah. She loved the peanut butter, right?
No.
That's good.
Now we take the noodle pot. Oh wait, first we have to...
Massage it.
Give some love.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Give it a kiss.
I just spit on it. It's
Yeah. Lots of love.
You just add some flour. It's very sensitive.
She's a famous YouTube chef.
Don't
that
very
right?
sensitive, I can tell you. But this one can try to look nice. Huh.
Cool.
Cool. This is like a big Reese piece.
Yeah.
A huge Reese.
It does taste like, after you added the molasses and all that stuff, it does taste like the peanut butter inside of a Reese's.
Wait for the filling.
And, yeah, the tin,
Looks like a Reese.
yeah, looks like a peanut butter cup.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
Oh.
There she is. Hallo Frida. Hallo. Say hallo.
Weißt du noch? Machst du ein paar Löcher? Ja.
She's trying to get a bite.
Yeah, I think she wants to.
Yeah.
You're a little smarty. Mehr.
Here's
Mehr.
what's more?
Oh, Ariana hat mehr.
Look, Maya.
It's heiß. Watch out, hot.
That one's so little. Remember, I thought it was my favorite.
Yeah. What's the temperature?
175 grad Celsius
Mm-hmm.
for 10 minutes. Okay, let's see if it works. A sour cream.
Oh no. Well, I think people use sour cream in desserts sometimes, right?
Yeah, sure, but I need it fluffy, so.
It's not gonna whip up.
Okay, so now we add some cream cheese. And the famous peanut butter.
So you end up using the whole thing of peanut butter, right?
Almost.
Almost. Oh, the,
Now we just add some more natural sugar.
no measurement, just sprinkle?
Oh no, I have a measurement there, but I always do less than the recipe says. And now we make a cream.
Oh, it's down.
Better? Ah.
Now we use chocolate with a lot of cacao.
Extra dark. Do you know what that is? Double boiler?
Yeah, water.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't need to do that.
Because I just heat the milk, the heavy cream. We just heat the heavy cream.
Oh yeah.
Boots.
That was fast.
Frida.
I don't know.
It'll be hard to spread,
I
right?
don't know how to make it pretty.
Yeah.
denn dein Lala? If you want. You don't have to join, but... Gehen wir raus, mein Schatz? Gehen wir zum Spielplatz?
Just kidding.
Spielplatz? Ja, verstehe ich nicht, wenn du den Lala im Mund hast. Nimm den mal raus.
Moma? Sollen wir nochmal Moma anrufen gleich?